What are we doing here, boss?
A rebuild this 2001 pond.
2001. Here in 2019.
18-year-old pond. Homemade. Not bad. And we're gonna make it better.
That's what we do. So we're gonna get rid of all of this stack stone. There's a small pond it's into there. Really turn it out, as we do. As we do at the ponds. That's what we do. We make it better. Alright, so we're pulling all this stack stone off. We've been warned about numerous snakes. So far, just big frogs, big spiders.
Stay away from the building.
Something tells me we're going to see a snake. I'm not excited about that. Got some figuring to do on this one, right, bud? We're gonna have to figure out what's gonna happen with this. There's a pretty big drop there, coming down into the lower pond.
And as you can see, we're pretty encased with patio.
So, I mean, we always figure it out. This thing has its own challenges. So currently, everything is mortared in. Doesn't really want to come out, does it, Greg?
No. But it's good to be back on the team.
What's fresh?
It's not the first time I've ran into a block, but this is actually mortared. Like it's never gonna come out.
That's the way it seems at this point. So, I'm not gonna lie, this was a difficult tear out because there are a lot of things going on here. We showed you this before. And he says, if you guys see a snake, can you please get it and put it in this bucket and then I'll get rid of it.
No. No. No, 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 no.
I said, if you see the lights of the trucks headed down the road, you'll know that we saw a snake and we all left. So hopefully we won't actually find a snake, but he's talked about snakes the entire day, so it could happen.
Maybe a little too aggressive.
So this camera's been whacked today, so this is the shot you get. I just got the pump hooked up. Flying around, runs up into this bridge, up around ball box. Up here we have our staging area, kind of. And it currently looks like the next tornado is coming through. So that's probably all.
It's a twister! It's a twister!
Just got to remember to do it.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Alright, lower pond. We're hopefully going to get rocked in by 10 o'clock today. Upper pond, which will fall into it. Okay, I can do it. Alright, we're live at the Levy Pond Field where things are really happening fast, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
What do you think, bud? Are things Moving along now.
Heck yeah.
Okay, as you see, bottom pond is going to be rocked in here before you get done saying the bottom pond can be rocked in, and we will be moving up to the falls and up to the top one. We got everything we needed this morning. We were ready to rock. All right, lower pond is really coming together here.
By the end of the day, when we, like I said, we're gonna figure out the most complicated part there, getting our water height set perfectly. And
We'll do our falls up in here, determine how our water's going to fall into this one.
Mainly focus on that the rest of
Ryan's.
the day, and then start dropping some big boys. So we definitely know about land before we're gonna use that one.
Talking with the homeowner. Greg's picking out some stacked stone down here. Plan is to get her right here. I'm not gonna hold this much longer. We're back live on the old waterfall build. Oh, this guy. Oh, sorry. It's America's Most Wanted over here. Doesn't want to be on TV. All right, got another one coming in. Got some big dogs in here, and yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it's easy to see what's actually going on at this build, so I'm gonna break it down for you. There's their patio up there and their existing footbridge there that makes it a little bit harder to work down here. So here's our skimmer box. We already have this lower pond mostly rocked in. And we started with some of these big boys because this is going to be the waterfalls coming from the larger pond, which is up here, which we have to rock in next. Fall box goes back there next to the track hoe. So we're getting there. We've got a long way to go. The bottom of the top one rocked in. That's laying over. The plan is to put a cantilever step here and one floating step there. And then we got the big fall rock in there where the tape's laying. We still need more rock. Hopefully we'll get, because we only have a few left. But it's raining again.
Go home! That's your home! Are you too good for your home?